Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me it's going to be settings as an example. And once it's open, all you need to do is press power key and volume down, both of them. Hold it for about a second and this will pop up. And from here, as you can see, we have a couple of different options. We have long screenshot, edit, share, and delete. Now, you can use all of them. Now, if you want to capture a bigger part of the display, so I opened settings for this specific purpose. As you are aware, you can scroll down on settings. So if you want to do that, you can simply tap on the button and it will extend the screenshots. And as you can see, it will just keep making it longer. Once you're done with it, simply just disregard it, and it will finish it up. So this is one way of taking a screenshot. There is also sometimes a toggle, which we can find right here. Same thing, captures a screenshot. Then there's also this one, when you hold power key, again another toggle for a screenshot. And let's see, there's another one. There is also a 3-finger swipe down for a screenshot. Let me just quickly do that again. So you can see it also captures the screenshot. Now, whichever way you go about, it's completely up to you, but when you capture it, you can find these images, screenshots that are captured in your photo galleries. So let's find that. There we go, gallery. And as you can see, there they are. So there's one, there's another one, and another, and then there's the long one that I have captured. Oops, there we go. So that is how you would capture screenshots on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.